Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we completed up till activity number 6. Today, we are going to start with activity number 7. The name of the activity is Sachin Tendulkar, the personality which each and everyone is familiar with. Let's start the activity. Sachin Tendulkar is probably the most famous and the popular sportsman in India. He has become a public figure but has managed to maintain a dignified, mature outlook and remaining aware of his responsibilities while protecting his privacy. So, Sachin Tendulkar, who is one of the most famous sportsmen of India. He became a public figure, but he always managed that how to be dignified, that means calm and serious, and the person who deserves respect for everything he does. He remained mature and also he had the awareness of the responsibilities for protecting his own personal life. When he married Anjali, a doctor and a friend from his childhood, he rejected large sums from satellite TV for live coverage, keeping it a family matter. He know his worth, and over the next few years, his endorsement are worth 75 million US dollar, but he is not a grabber. His father, who was a university professor, taught him a sense of work ethics. So when he married to his doctor friend, and also from his childhood, they were friends. So he married to Anjali, and he rejected uh, so many so many proposals from the across the world for the live coverage, but marrying with Anjali was a family affair, so he did not allow those people to enter in his personal life. He know his worth, and over the next few years his approval or sanction for his work was worth 75 million US dollars, but he was not a grabber. That means he was not the one who used to go and chase the money. His father was a university professor and taught him the sense of moral values. Sachin Tendulkar was born in Mumbai on 24th April 1973. Since his childhood, he had trodden a very steady and almost inevitable path to greatness. In school at Shardashram Vidya Mandir, he got an opportunity to bat for hours in the competition for under 17 Harris Memorial Challenge Shield. He scored his first century from the school at the age of 12, and since then there was no looking back. So he was born in Mumbai and had his practices. He started playing cricket since his school, and he got an opportunity to bat for hours in the competition of under 17, and since there when he was at the age of 12 he scored his first century. He was 16 years and 205 days old when he made his test debut in November 1989 the national in the national stadium in Karachi. The very next year, he hit his first Test century at the Old Trafford, Manchester, England. This century was an example of an exercise in the technique, concentration, and application beyond his tender age, and it saved a match being lost. Had it come 31 days earlier, he would have been the youngest century maker in the Test history. In 1991 and 92, he went to Australia, where they still talk in the awe of his centuries scored in the Perth and Sydney. So, when he was at the age of 16 years and almost 205 days old, he made his test debut. That means he started playing he started giving the first public performance, and later he hit his first test century at the Old Trafford, Manchester, England, and there he gave an example to everyone that even though he was of small age, but his concentration and his application towards his work saved the match from being lost. And had in come 31 days earlier, he would have been the youngest century maker of the test history, and still the people over there talk about his centuries across the world. So let's start with activity number 8. Match the column A with B. So what is endorsement? Endorsement, a statement or action which shows that you approve of something or someone. Reject, that is not to accept a proposal. Dignified. Dignified means calm, impressive and deserving respect. Feted. Feted, that means celebrated and welcomed or praised. Work ethics, behavior of rules of behavior in one's job. Trodden. Trodden, that is walked. Perspective. Perspective is a particular way of thinking about something. And inevitable, that means certain to happen or unavoidable. So the next question about this is, use any 6 of the words from column A to write some sentences about your favorite sports person. So here I am sharing a PDF file in which the answer to this question is given. So you can write the same in your Fairbook. Thank you and have a nice day.